Hi, my name's Gary Fretwell. I've been with Cornerstone Building Brands for 31 years. The opportunity came to where I could move to full-time as a quality associate, so I moved to it. I love the quality part of it. I do line audits, I do lab audits, I actually do a customer-focused audit to where I actually hang siding up like a customer would see it on their home, and I look at it and I see if I can see anything that would throw the customer off, the customer would not be happy with. When we have new hires come in, I have a class with them. I take them back, I show them what I look for and what I expect of them. I explain to them, you got to focus like the customer does. If the customer's not happy, we don't sell siding. We don't sell siding, we don't get a paycheck. So we have to focus on that. That is one thing I push hard. You're spending the money for it, it's got to be good. So you have to do your job to make sure that you check it and you do your full checks on it to make sure it's good.